one of the things that we know about our customers is they're really looking for high quality online video, and the only real way to know whether or not you're getting your bang for your buck is to have a measurement capability. And so what we're doing is we've provided our Sola Media Analytics to our customers. And it started out as something that was primarily around audience behavior. So what are people watching? You know, what time of day do they watch? What kinds of devices do they watch on? And it was more of a post-event processing capability, so that customers could determine, you know, what kind of content would engage viewers better at what times of day and what regions. The other element that we initially rolled out was quality of service monitor, and what that works really well for is live events. So you know how large your audience is, you know the bit rates that they're getting at any particular time. You can quickly identify trouble areas. If there's certain geos that are, you know, struggling, you can basically do something and react to that. What we did new this year, as we've continued to evolve the service and add new capabilities to those two modules, but this year we brought out something that's new and incredibly powerful for customers who are running subscription services or pay-per-view services. What it is it's a service called Viewer Diagnostics, which allows the operator to look at up to a 60-day experience of everything that any particular player watched. Now, we don't keep any kind of personalized information. We just get a player code, and we can identify for 60 different days what the quality of experience was for every different thing that they viewed. What was the bit rate? What was the startup time? Did they experience rebuffering? And we do it all very visually so that they can see very quickly using color coding whether a customer is having good days or bad days. With this knowledge and information, they can either proactively go out and address issues by setting flags and having reports generated automatically, or alternatively, they can, you know, address the needs of their support personnel when the customers are calling up and asking questions about the quality of the service. Our analytics solution is actually, it starts with a plugin in the player. It's software that runs in the player. And Kaltura, a great partner of ours, has integrated that plugin into their player, and that software actually sends back the primitive values or information that is required into a centralized database in our network. And from that information, then we can then extract the different types of reports for the 3 different services that we offer. If you're an advertiser, you're trying to monetize your content, the audience analytics gives you perspectives on things like where do I place my ads in the content. So you can tell what the abandonment rate is if you put the ad at the beginning or pre-roll or a mid-roll or a post-roll. And then you can use that information, that, you know, detailed statistics information, to present that information to your customer when you're going to build a campaign. So advertisers can use it, the content owners can use it, and if the content owners are looking at certain places where a particular piece of content is popular, they can then develop content that works well for that geo based on similar types of content. So there's a whole amount of business analytics that can be built around this data. And it's not so much just around the quality of service or what's happening right now or fixing, debugging. I mean, that's important too. I guess the way I would say it is, if I have eyes so that I can see what's happening, exactly what I can do with the things that I see is sort of limitless. What our analytics does is it gives you eyes into the end user experience. So basically, you now know what people are seeing, and our customers know the kind of things that are being delivered over our network. We're working with Kaltura to make this available. Again, they have the plug-in. Customers could work with us on the analytics, sort of the dashboard or the view. but the analytics capabilities, the reports are available through APIs. So if a customer didn't particularly want to use exactly what our dashboard looks like, they could build their own, and they could actually use APIs to go in and extract that data. And that's pretty much open to, partners could leverage that capability into their systems as well. Customers who actually do their own analytics, they could use the same capability, just an API call, pull out the data, and use it.